Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. So today we are going to start the Chloe Ting challenge. Woo! Yes, so anyway, a few months ago I did Chloe Ting challenge and I was good to go and everything, and then I have a little bit of a setback. Yes, things happen, you know, in life. You do have some setbacks. However, I am ready to get back in shape, okay? I want this body snatched, okay? And Chloe Ting's challenges, they are challenging. But guess what? If you want the body if you want a body that is snatched, body that you want to just, you know, then guess what? You got to do the challenge. It's hard. That's why it's called a challenge. So we're going to do this together, you guys. So anyway, this is my body right now, okay? Yes, it is. Yeah, we're just going to leave it at that. But after this challenge is over, guess what? It's going to be snatched, because consistency is the key. Okay, I am proof of that. If you're not consistent, guess what? You're not going to get any results, right? It's hard, it's tough, and guess what? If all these people can do it, I could do it. It's all in the mind. When you want to quit, don't give up, you guys. Just keep pushing at it. I'm going to show you how I do it, how I eat. I'm going to adjust my diet, okay? Because I want this snatched. All right? I really do. So anyway, yeah. This is the side view. This is the back view. This is the other side view. And this is the front view. And I had surgery where they had to cut me, you know. So this part of my body has been, you know, quite difficult, you know, to just, but we're going to do this. We're going to do a lot of Chloe Ting, okay? And you guys, it may take you 2 weeks. It may take you a month. It can take you 6 months. The thing about this is don't give up, okay? I am 50 years old, and if I can do it, you guys can do it. Yes, I'm 50, all right? So I don't have a young body. My metabolism has slowed down quite a bit, okay? And so I'm going to do this. I'm putting myself out there, and I want you to follow me to get your body snatched with Chloe Ting. Chloe, thank you, girl. You are the bomb. So without further ado, you guys, hey, hit that red subscribe button. Thumbs it up. Share the video. Let's get started.
Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like kung fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, but I just want it. Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Myself. Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Myself. Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Myself. Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Oh baby, if you ever need a helper, you should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can love you better. I'm here just to treat you right. You're the reason I'm alive. You're the only pain I can endure. And when you're not here, you're my dream, but I just want it. from the start, you my bunny, I'm your Clark. From now to eternity, I give you all my heart. We are meant to be, it's clear to see. My love is bigger than I thought. I got everything I want when I hold you with my arms. Now there's no matter, my love and my pleasure, the key to my treasure. Whatever's the weather, stay up and out with you till I die. How many times for you I'ma try? Want you to notice the one and I know this. Perfect soulmate, I wanna show it my best friend. She saved my life, my happy end in hard times. Oh baby, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself. I just want it. Hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself. I just want it. Hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself. Oh baby.
On my mind, sustained with hope, and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. But our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, what they talk about. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about. Save me from myself. I really need your help. I'm going under. Save me from myself. All I really ever wondered is if I really going under. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me.
Okay guys, this is day 7. This is what my body is looking like, and as you can see, it's coming down some. This part, as I said, is really difficult because of course I had surgery here, so this part of my stomach is really hard, but yeah, I'm gonna continue. This is a side view. See you on day 14.